Do not assume your thermostat has the wires you need for a swap without a quick check. Open the thermostat cover and note every colored conductor present, since modern systems typically need a common wire for power, a red wire for 24-volt power, and separate wires for heating, cooling, fan, and any accessories like a humidifier or heat pump reversing valve. If a wire bundle includes more conductors than are connected at the thermostat, gently pull the thermostat away from the wall to see if unused wires are tucked behind the plate. These spare conductors are often already run and can save you from fishing new cable. For a definitive match, trace each thermostat conductor back to the HVAC control board in the furnace or air handler. Matching colors to labeled terminals such as R, C, W, Y, and G so you confirm function, rather than relying on color alone. When replacing with a smart thermostat that needs constant power, make sure there is a common conductor available at the thermostat location, or plan to use a power extender or kit that the manufacturer provides, and install it per the instructions at the control board. Use a multimeter set to voltage to verify that the red conductor is providing 24 volts relative to the common conductor before connecting a new thermostat to avoid damage. Label each wire you disconnect with a removable piece of tape, so reconnection at both the thermostat and control board is error-free. A common mistake is assuming color equals function, which leads to wrong hookups, so always verify terminals at the control board and relabel if needed. Another issue is missing common power that prevents smart thermostats from charging, so either locate an unused conductor tied to the control board common or install a manufacturer-approved power accessory at the HVAC unit. The third frequent problem is fragile or shorted conductors in old cable bundles. If a wire shows wear or intermittent continuity, replace the cable run or fish a new conductor to avoid intermittent thermostat behavior. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and for contractors to find work related to HVAC and other home projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange real-world tips, troubleshooting steps, and experiences about wiring and installations.